This tutorial explains how to activate and use the T30 and T10 intelligent charging hubs. 1. Turn on the remote control. 2. Use a Type-C data cable to connect the remote control to the charging hub. 3. On the remote control, tap Device Management. Charger, activate to complete activation. One, if you charge the battery on an ordinary 10 amp socket, you need a 10 amp to 16 amp socket. For the T30 Intelligent Charging Hub, you are advised to use only one port when charging the battery indoors. If the T10 Intelligent Charging Hub is used, you only need a 10 amp to 16 amp power strip. 2. Connect the power socket of the charging hub. 3. Connect the battery to the charging hub. 4. Turn on the power supply to start charging. Precautions. 1. The AC power cable of the charging hub is 16 amps. To ensure safe electricity use, we recommend that the total external AC current of the T30 Intelligent Charging Hub be greater than 32 amps, and the external AC current of the T10 Intelligent Charging Hub be greater than 16 amps. An adequate additional margin should also be reserved. 2. If you use the T30 Intelligent Charging Hub indoors, do not connect two AC power cables to the same socket, as this may cause a short circuit. 3. Use the charging hub as a suitable ambient temperature. The operating temperature range is -5 to 45 degrees Celsius. If the external temperature is lower than 15 degrees Celsius, the charging speed will be reduced. The battery carrying case can store up to 2 T30 and/or T10 intelligent flight batteries and can also be used for charging. During short-distance transportation, you can store batteries in the carrying case to protect against bumps and collisions.